Alright, I'm going to introduce you or show you a little game that you can play with your kids. I very much encourage you to do it with your kids because that really, I think, makes it more exciting for them. So my beautiful assistant, Jace, is going to help me with this one. So Jason, which square are you going to start? Can you go to the blue square for me, please? I am going to start over here in the white square. Now, when I start my stopwatch, and Jace, I'm just going to do an example first. When I start my stopwatch, I got to run as quickly as I can, grab a ball from the red square, and dribble it back to my square. Now, we have 30 seconds, which is a lot of time. Right, Jace? It's a lot of time. So, as soon as I put my ball here, I can go and get another one. After 30 seconds, we're going to see who has more balls in his square. Are you ready for it? Let me put this ball back. And you know I hate losing, right? You ready? Yours? They're mine, I think. You ready? Alright, I gotta start my stopwatch. 3, 2, 1, and go! Oh my god, he's so fast. Whoop, whoop. I gotta get a ball. I gotta dribble it back to my square. Keep it under control. He stops it. Oh my god, he's faster than I am. Oh. Now I gotta get another one. Gotta dribble it under control, right? There we go. Oh my god, it's going way too fast. Whew. Like this one. There we go. That's the buzzer. We're done. How many balls do you have?
4.
Oh man, how many do I have?
3.
So who won?
Me.
Oh, fantastic. Well done. Alright, so for this one, alright, the start is the same as in the balls on the red square. Okay, Jace is going to start in the blue square. I have the white square. This time though, I can not only steal balls from the red square, but I can also steal balls from the blue square. And Jace, if I dribble a ball from the red square to the white square, you are also allowed to steal that ball. Look at this. You just stole my ball. You little nut. You just stole my ball. Are you ready? We'll do 30 seconds again. Are you ready for it?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, he's fast. There we go. So I put a ball over here. Oh, I'm going to take my yellow ball back. Don't forget, you can steal balls from me as well.
I'm going to get my yellow one back.
Hey, you just took my yellow one. Oh my god. Is he just stealing balls from me right now? Hey. Done. How many balls do you have? 4? And how many do I have?
2.
Oh, not again. Well done, buddy. Alright, so I added one slight challenge. I added an additional challenge to make it even harder. So the same rules as before apply. As in, we're going to try to steal the balls from the red square and bring them back to. I bring them to my white square. My friend over there, my assistant, is going to try to bring them to his blue square. But we can also steal balls from each other. Remember? Now, if I try to steal a ball, right, and I dribble this ball, and on my way I hit a cone like this. The cone falls over. I gotta dribble this ball back first. Put the cone back up. Alright, before I'm allowed to steal another ball. You get that? Alright, so we have to steal as many balls as we can. We also have to dribble around the cones, okay? Oh, please don't. You did it the last time too. 3, 2, I gotta start my stopwatch. And 1, let's go. Woo. There we go. Uh-oh. Oh, all these cones here. Oh man. Shoot, I gotta bring it back.
I want to steal boys from you.
Yeah, you can. You're allowed to.
I'm not anyway.
The yellow one. I love the yellow ball. Where are all the cones? go. Ah, I'm gonna pick up off. Jeez. There we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, man. Shoot. Gotta put it back. Hey, hey. Oh, man, I gotta race. Whew. Wow. Wow. There we go. All these cones in the way. Can you stop stealing my balls, please? Hey, hey. I'll take this one. All the cones. Zigzag. And done. Whew.